This isn't just an ad. It's completely made with AI. And it all started from a hand-drawn sketch in Illustrator. Let me show you how I turned this simple drawing into a high-end perfume visual using Adobe Firefly. If you find this cool, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Now let's dive in. So first I opened Adobe Illustrator and started with a basic outline of a perfume bottle. Using the pen tool, I drew a clean, symmetrical bottle shape. Nothing too fancy, just enough to define the form. Next, I added some light design cues like the bottle cap, basic lighting zones, and how I imagined the fabric would wrap, just to give it a foundation for what was coming next. Once the sketch was ready, I exported it as a transparent peg. That step is key as it helps Firefly interpret the shape clearly without any background distractions. Then I moved into Adobe Firefly, and this is where the magic. I typed in this prompt: a cobalt blue perfume floating in air with wrapped red silk, cinematic. also selected the hyper-realistic style to give it that polished high-end look. And under Settings, I used the sketch as a composition reference so the AI follows the structure we built in Illustrator. Within seconds, Firefly transformed the flat sketch into a detailed, dramatic perfume ad. I browsed a few variations until I found one that felt premium, cinematic, and balanced. From a simple Illustrator sketch to a luxury product visual, all using the power of design and AI. If this inspired you or helped you learn something new, hit like, share it with someone who loves design, and subscribe for more motion and creativity every week. This is Rise on Motion, where we give brands motion magic.